All right, we have example 2. Example 2 says, how many atoms are there in 10 grams of calcium triazo carbonate 4? All right, we have something like this. We have solution. Okay. First of all, calculate the molar mass of calcium triazo carbonate 4. All right, so how do we calculate this? Um, this space will not be enough, so let me calculate it under here. This one. So for calcium, we have one atom of calcium. We have one, and we know that atomic mass of calcium is 40, like this. Plus carbon, we have one. We know that atomic mass of carbon is 12. Plus oxygen, we have 3, and we know that atomic mass of oxygen is what? 16. Can you see that? When we add all these things together, it will give us the molar mass. All right, so we have 1 times 40 will give us 40. Can you see that? 1 times 12 will give us 12. And 3 times 16 will give us 48. I hope it's clear. All right, so 48 plus 12 will give us 60. 60 plus 40 will give us what? 100. Can you see that? 100 grams per mole. Is it clear? All right, so from what we have that Avogadro's constant number is equals to 6.02 times 10 raised to power what? 23. All right, so 1 mole of any substance contains this. 1 mole of any substance contains this Avogadro's constant. All right, so 1 mole of calcium triazo carbonate 4 will also contain this. So we have that 1 mole of calcium triazo carbonate 4 will contain what? It will contain 6.02 times 10 raised to power 23. Can you see that? All right. So, but the mass of this 1 mole is what? 100 grams. So we have that 100 grams of calcium triazo carbonate 3. Triazo carbonate 4, not carbonate 3. Calcium triazo carbonate 4 will contain what? It will contain 6.02 times 10 raised to power 23. Why is it like this? Because it is 100 grams of calcium triazo carbonate 4 that will make what? 1 mole. Mass of 1 mole of calcium triazo carbonate 4 is what? 100 grams. So 100 grams of this will give you this. Then if 100 grams of this, which is equivalent to 1 mole of that, will give you this number of atoms. Remember, they said atoms. All right. So what will 10 grams of this give you? 10 grams of this, what will it give you? That's the question you have to ask yourself. All right. 100 grams of calcium triazo carbonate 4, which is 1 mole of it, will give us this number of atoms. 10 grams of that will give us what? We don't know. We call it X number of what? Atoms. Can you see that? So at this point, what do? We cross multiply like this. Can you see that? So this will multiply this, while this will multiply that. So we have that X times 100 is equals to 10 times, we have 6.02 times 10 raised to power 23. Can you see that? All right, so at this point, what do? We multiply this. We have 100x is equal to, we have 10 times 6.02 times 10 raised to power 23. All right, so what do? We divide both sides by coefficient of x, which is 100. We have this divided by 100, and we have this one divided by 100. Can you see that? All right, divided by 100. So I will cancel this, cancel this. I have that x is equal to, all right, looking at this, I will cancel this, cancel this. When 10 divides this, it will give me 6.02 times 10 raised to power 22. Remember here is 23, but because the 10 is dividing, it will reduce to what? 22. So we have atoms like this. Is it clear? All right. So it means that 10 grams of calcium triazo carbonate 4 will contain 6.02 times 10 raised to power 22 atoms. That is it. Is it clear? So that is how it can be solved. Remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. Follow this page and share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this knowledge by